Hello and welcome to the Crumbs and Doilies kitchen, and it has been absolutely ages since we gave you a behind the scenes video and you guys have been crying out for it. So it's actually a really good time to do behind the scenes because we've just launched our new website, crumbsanddoilies.co.uk. Go and check it out. And not only is it a super duper new fancy pants website, there's actually loads more stuff on there that wasn't on there before. We've got loads of different cupcake boxes and loads of new cupcake flavours, and we've got a ton more flavours of cake, and we're going to be doing a couple today, the pick and mix cake and the Ferrero Rocher cake. So I thought you might like to see how it goes down. Check these out. I hope you've enjoyed watching that, and please go and check out our brand new website at crumbsanddoilies.co.uk, and I'll be back next week with a recipe, so I'll see you then. Bye.